Hi, I'm Margaret from Sewing Machine Warehouse in Sydney, Australia, and this time around I'm going to show you how to sew on a shirt button that has 4 holes. Okay, so this is different to a 2-hole button. It requires a little bit of extra time. Now, take your thread and cut yourself about 60 centimeters. But before you do that, take your needle and thread the eye with the end that comes off the thread, and then cut yourself the 60 centimeter length. That just keeps it manageable. And bring your ends together. Okay, and you should be able to do 2 or 3 buttons with that length. Okay, but let's just do our 4-hole button this time around. So take your needle. Now, remembering if that's the center, we need to do two tacks either side of that center. So let's anchor the thread first. So we do a double stitch. Like so. Now if that little end bothers you, just snip it. That will be underneath the button anyway. Now take your 4-hole button, and the top right corner will be your in and your out will be your bottom right corner, and put your needle in the bottom of that tack. Okay, so that's one side done. Now turn your garment over and head for, so you're going to make a cross, so, or a diagonal, sorry. So head for the top left hand corner, so you've come up parallel to the other side. And then down in the bottom left side or hole. Okay, so there's one set done. Then head up to the opposite side, diagonally opposite. Bring your needle up, then back down, keeping your thread bars parallel to each other, so don't get confused. So we end up making a little cross on the back, and do that 4 times each side. Okay, just for a bit of speed, I'm going to leave it at 3 each side. Now, when you're at the back of your garment, take your needle and put it through the cross. Can you see that? Now, before you pull that loop up, take your needle and put it through the loop, and then pull the rest of the slack up. And you do that 3 times. And then take your needle through there and bring it up, still locating your needle underneath the button, and bring it out through the fabric, and then take your scissors and snip that end off. And there is your 4-hole button.